What's up everybody, it's Matt with BitCubed, and today we're talking about the Nikon D850, and I'm going to tell you about the one feature that's in this camera that'll convince your better half to let you buy. So why would you want a Nikon D850? Well, it's 45 megapixels, shoots 7 to 9 frames per second, it's got a magnesium body, weather sealed, awesome focus system, and I think probably the best all-around DSLR you could possibly buy. It can shoot landscape, it can shoot sports, it can shoot portraits, you name it. So you're probably wondering how I'm going to convince your other half to let you buy a $3,300 camera. Well, if you're interested in a 45 megapixel camera, you're shooting RAW, which means after you take the photos, you have to go home, put them on your computer, process them, and then export them again before you can actually share them with anyone. And I don't know about you, but my wife really just wants to take those photos on the family vacation and post them to Instagram, post them to Facebook right away. So how does Nikon fix this? Well, they added Bluetooth to this camera. They actually put it in the D850 as well. And because of that, you can pair it to this, your smartphone. So as you're taking photos with this giant, awesome camera, small JPEGs are transferring to your phone. Or in my case, my wife's phone, because I actually pair the camera to my wife's phone because she's the one who wants to post immediately. I'm going to walk you through how to set your camera up to transfer photos over Bluetooth. It's important to note that you're going to be shooting RAW, but you have to also shoot JPEG in addition to the RAW files, or it won't transfer over Bluetooth. I recommend using the lowest resolution and highest compression settings to keep those files small. Okay, so you're going to click the menu button, go to your settings menu, it's the little wrench, then you're going to scroll down till you hit to connect to smart device. After you click connect to smart device, click start, and this is going to start the pairing process. You're going to go over to your phone and open up Snapbridge. Once you have Snapbridge open, click pair with camera. Then click on your camera. It's going to now search for your device. It takes a little bit of time. You'll hit D850. It's going to ask you if you understand. It's going to connect to your phone. It's going to search again. You're going to have to click again. I know there's a lot of clicking here. At this point, you'll see a code. You'll click pair. Then you go back to your camera, and you should see that auth code showing up. You'll click OK, and your camera's paired. At this point, you can choose to sync your location data and your clock from your phone. I recommend you do both, and then you're done. You can start shooting pictures, and they're going to sync immediately over Bluetooth to your camera. Let's check this out in action. I've got my camera and I've got my smartphone. I'm going to take a photo, and then I'm going to wait a second. You'll actually see that it'll start to sync right up there. I'll click here. You'll see this is the current frame. If I swipe right, there's the photo I just took. Pretty awesome, right? Well, I think that wraps it up for today. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's more stuff coming. Take care. A $3,400 camera. How much is that camera? So I've got my phone. I'm going to take a photo, and it's already paired to my camera.